TE Connectivity's 830MI Triaxial Condition Monitoring Accelerometers are low-cost, board-mountable accelerometers that are designed for embedded condition monitoring and preventive maintenance applications. TE's 830MI accelerometers are piezoelectric devices available in ranges from plus or minus 25 grams to plus or minus 2,000 grams and feature a flat frequency response up to 15 kHz in all three axes. The accelerometers feature three independent stable piezoceramic crystals in shear mode with low-power electronics, sealed in a fully hermetic LCC package. A resistance temperature detector temperature sensor is included inside the LCC package should the intended application require both a vibration and temperature sensor signal. These devices are designed and qualified for machine health monitoring, predictive maintenance installations, embedded vibration monitoring, data loggers, and more, and have a superior resolution, dynamic range, and bandwidth compared to MEMS devices.